Dear traveler, welcome, truly welcome to this tender moment you have gifted yourself. Time set aside for balance, calm, and the gentle restoration of harmony inside. Allow yourself to settle into a place that feels safe and soft. Sit or lie back and notice the way the surface beneath you quietly supports every curve of your body. Let your breath arrive naturally, in and out, like the ocean sliding toward the shore and retreating again. With each exhale, release the small tensions you carried here. In this quiet, a picture begins to unfold before you. You are strolling along a narrow earthen path at the edge of a sleepy village. Afternoon sunlight spills like honey across tiled rooftops, catching on the dew still clinging to garden leaves. Somewhere, a sparrow trills a lazy tune, answered by the faint murmur of a brook winding beyond the cottages. The air tastes of fresh-cut timber, warm clay, and a hint of jasmine carried by the breeze. As you follow the path, you notice a small clearing opening between two ancient oak trees. Shafts of golden light dapple the grass, scattering shifting mosaics that sway with the wind. In the very center, an older builder is kneeling over a neat foundation, smoothing the soil with weathered, graceful hands. Their posture radiates patience. Their quiet smile reaches their kind, time-creased eyes. They lift their head as you draw closer. And though no words pass their lips, you feel a silent welcome, as clear as any greeting. A calm warmth flows between you. An unspoken invitation to join in the work. You step beside them. Before you lies the bare shape of what will become a home, a sanctuary within. The foundation has been traced into the soft earth. Stones waiting to be placed. Beams leaning gently nearby. The scene hums with expectancy. Without a word, you both pause, breathing together, honoring the stillness before the creation begins. Look at the materials gathered. Smooth river stones glimmer faintly where light grazes their damp surfaces. They smell faintly of rain and hold the memory of streams. Sturdy beams of cedar rest in a gentle pile. Their fresh scent carrying notes of sunlight and forest. A bowl of fine clay waits, cool and pliable. The color of warm earth after summer rain. Beside it sit tiles painted in delicate hues: rose, ochre, turquoise, each glinting softly, whispering of laughter and celebration. Sheets of glass lean against a timber frame, their surfaces shimmering with rainbow flecks whenever the sun kisses them. Reach for a stone. Its weight is honest, grounding. The cool surface pressing reassuringly into your palm. Feel its ancient calm. The still strength that has carried for centuries. Slowly lower it into the foundation. Hearing the quiet click as it meets the earth. Anchoring everything above. As you place more stones, sense each one echoing the steadfast parts of yourself. Your resilience, your quiet bravery, the parts of you that endure storms and greet the dawn unchanged. Now lift a timber beam. Run your fingers along its grain, tracing the winding lines carved by time. The cedar breathes a soft, woody perfume. Imagine the tree it once was. Roots deep in soil, branches swaying in winds and sunlight. This beam is the backbone of your inner house. The courage and resilience rising upward, creating shelter and shape. Set it firmly. Another breath, another beam. A frame begins to form. Each piece placed with care, like a heartbeat, measured and sure. Feel the air shifting as the skeleton of the home stands tall. Notice your own boundaries mirroring it, no longer invisible, but defined, steady, protective. With each beam aligned, you sense your inner landscape aligning. Upright, yet soft. Now, sink your hands into the bowl of clay. It is cool, supple, faintly smelling of rain-kissed earth. Knead it slowly, letting your fingertips sink. Stretch and roll the pliant mass. Spread the clay over the walls, smoothing edges, softening corners. It becomes the gentle adaptability within you. heart that flexes, thens, flows when change calls, yet still protects the center. Every sweep of your hands leaves the walls warmer, friendlier, more alive. Lift your gaze to the basket of tiles, each one humming with its own bright energy. Turquoise glints like a calm sea. Deep red whispers of vitality. Pale gold gleams like laughter caught in sunlight. Choose deliberately, feeling delight spark with every selection. Lay them carefully along the roofline, shaping patterns of joy and color. Your memories, your playfulness, your sparks of creativity becoming a mosaic that crowns this sanctuary. With every tile you set, hear the soft tap against timber. The song of small moments of happiness joining together. At last, approach the glass. Hold one sheet and tilt it toward the light. Rainbows scatter across your hands, shifting and dancing as though the air itself smiles. The glass is your openness. The way you allow light and understanding to flow through you. Fit each pane into its frame, noticing how the glade brightens with every new window. A gentle breeze drifts through, brushing your face, carrying the scent of wild mint and sun-warmed grass. Step back. The house rises quietly before you. Walls strong yet supple. Windows gleaming. Roof, a jubilant patchwork of color. You sense its heartbeat, syncing with your own. Inside, stillness. Outside, the rustle of leaves and the sleepy murmur of the village. Stand beside the builder. Feel the rhythm. Your inhale, their inhale. Your exhale, their exhale. The air thickens with peace, with an understanding that harmony isn't a distant dream. It is here, built from patience, care, and the parts of you you've honored today. Breathe in. Let the cool, fresh air slide down into your chest. exhale softly, as if sighing gratitude into the sky. Notice how the sunlight drapes the home in golden threads, how your body feels lighter, quieter, whole. This sanctuary belongs to you. It lives in the quiet rooms of your heart, ready whenever the world feels unsteady. One more breath. In, calm and clear. Out, easy, unhurried. Carry the memory of this place. Know you may return, stone by stone, breath by breath. Whenever you long for balance and peace, have a wondrous, gentle life, dear traveler. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.